Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this pear cake together. So now I have my ingredients. What did I need for this recipe? I have my pear, of course, 2 eggs and the rest things. So let's dive into the video. I just break my egg into the bowl. I will add my sugar on it. So the next thing, I will just whip it a little bit together. I just add my oil on it, and I'm going to mix a little bit before I add my milk into the bowl as well. So I just mix a little bit. The next thing, I will bring my milk and pour it on the bowl as well. This is my milk. I just pour everything mix together before we add the flour also. I add my flour. Now the next thing, I will also add my baking powder also. So now I'm going to stiff everything together, and I keep on mixing as well. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, you are enjoying the video, of course, and I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Let's continue with the video, guys. Now I'm done with the mixing, so I'm just going to pour the dicing fruit on it and mix together also before I will prepare my pan and pour it inside. So that is what I'm doing. I just mixed a little bit before you pour it on the pan. Yeah, I'm preparing my pan. I just put butter on it to make it easy when the cake is already baked. So that is what I'm just doing. I also put baking paper also on it to make it more easier as well. So that is what I'm doing. When I'm done with that, I will just pour the cake inside the pan. Now I'm going to pour the cake into the pan. So this cake will go for oven for 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes, guys. 30 to 35 minutes, this cake will be perfectly done. So now I'm pouring everything inside. Our cake is done, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Let's see what we have inside. It really looks amazing, right? Oh yeah, let's see what we have inside as well. So I'm just going to remove it out of the pan. Let's cut it and see what we have inside here. So now I just cut it, and I will bring a little bit out to see the taste that we have here. Guys, look at the smoke we have here. Wow, what a nice cake. It's really amazing. It tastes amazing. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.